Top 3 digital signage features for manufacturing. Number 1. Increase productivity. Improve safety awareness with content that reinforces PPE, safe lifting, fall protection, and more. Post KPIs to auto-populate into your signage and create easy-to-read charts and graphs to keep workers informed on progress. Number 2. Communicate change. Stream live video across your digital signage network for all employees to see. Make introductions through pre-made templates to quickly introduce new people, places, and products, creating a sense of inclusion and pride. Number 3. Reinforce training. Post short video clips reviewing procedures, or recognize employees for achieving certifications or distinctions. At Reach, custom design services and unlimited support are always free. Contact us today for your free demo.